Very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to English language class. Now, I am going to teach you how you can interchange the sentences. Today, we will study interchange of affirmative sentences into negative sentences. Affirmative into negative. First of all, you see where the key word is written. The key word. Suppose she is wise. The word is given, she is wise. Wise is the key word. What is the antonym of wise? You may write not foolish. You may write not foolish. So, by changing the keyword into antonym by using antonyms, you can change affirmative into negative. Like she is wise, so negative will be she is not foolish. She is not foolish. My friend is a rich man. So the answer will be my friend is not a poor man. Rich man, the antonym of rich man, a poor man. So my friend is a rich man, my friend is not a poor man. He is sometimes careless. He is sometimes careless. He is not always careful. Sometimes careless, sometimes will change into always, and careless, careful. So he is sometimes careless. Negative sentence will be he is not always careful. She is always happy. She is never unhappy. Next example, I shall remember your kindness. I shall not forget your kindness. I shall remember, not forget. Negative. I shall remember your kindness. I shall not forget your kindness. Other example, you may note it down. Nobody will deny it. Nobody will deny it. Everybody, nobody, affirmative. Now negative to affirmative or affirmative to negative, vice versa. Nobody will deny it. Everybody will admit it. Or affirmative to negative, everybody will admit it. Negative, nobody will deny it. Affirmative, Lata's voice is sweet. Lata's voice is sweet. Lata's voice is not harsh. Not harsh. They disbelieved the story. Affirmative sentence, they disbelieved the story. They did not believe the story. She distrusted me. Affirmative, she did not trust me. Always speak the truth. Affirmative. Always speak the truth. Never tell a lie is negative form. Always speak the truth. Never tell a lie. I shall always remember you. I shall never forget you. If the sentence is given in affirmative like this, I shall always remember you, you change into negative, I shall never forget you. And if it is given in negative, I shall never forget you, and you to change into affirmative, right, I shall always remember you, vice versa. Sometimes we use a word without, by using without word, we can change affirmative sentence into negative. Like, she loves you, she is not without love for you. She is not without love for you. I am hopeful, I am not without hope. He is wise, he is not without wisdom. Every rose has a thorn, there is no rose without a thorn. By using without, you can change affirmative sentences into negative. Next example, he tried every plan. He tried every plan. He left no plan untried. Everyone who was present there praised his speech. Everyone who was present there praised his speech. There was no one present there who did not praise his speech. Negative sentence. There was no one present there who did not praise his speech. There is a verb to fail. To fail. T-O-2-F-A-I-L. You can use to fail verb like this. I saw the red fort. I saw the red fort. I did not fail to see the red fort. Like this. I saw the red fort. I did not fail to see the red fort. So by using verb to fail, you can change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. The juggler performed his feats nicely. The juggler performed his feats nicely. The juggler did not fail to perform his feats nicely. She will help the poor orphan. She will not fail to help the poor orphan. Learn your lesson well. Do not fail. Do not fail to learn your lesson well. Like this. You can change from affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. And now, here by removing only and using none but, you can change the sentence like this. Only the rich can buy this car. Only the rich can buy this car. None but. Remove remove only and use none but. Or sometimes in exam you see no one is written. No one but. No one but or none but is the same. Are the same. Don't confuse yourself. Only the rich can buy this car. None but the rich can buy this car. Or no one but the rich can buy this car. Same. Only a fool would behave like this. The sentence is in affirmative. Only a fool would behave like this. None but. Remove only and use none but. A fool would behave like this. The remaining sentence will be the same. Only a coward would flee from his duty. None but. None but a coward would flee from his duty. Only graduates need apply. Only graduates need apply. None but graduates need apply. Now the next type of sentence by using as soon as and remove as soon as and use no sooner. As soon as we reached the station, the train whistled off. No sooner. Now negative, no sooner did. As the sentence is written in past tense, simple past. So we use, when we use no sooner, just after no sooner we will use did and first form of the verb. So no sooner did we reach the station than, T-H-A-N, then the train whistled off. There will be no change after that in the second clause. No sooner did we reach the station than the train whistled off. Like this. As soon as he saw the lion, as soon as he saw the lion, he ran away. This is positive sentence. Now negative, no sooner. As the sentence you see, The saw word is in simple past. See, saw, seen, saw is used here in the sentence, in affirmative sentence. As soon as he saw the lion, he ran away. So no sooner did he see the lion than he ran away. No sooner did. Just after did, use first form of the verb. Original form. No sooner did he see the lion than he ran away. As soon as I went out, it began to rain. The sentence is in affirmative. As soon as I went out, it began to rain. So no sooner did I go out. The first form of went is go. So no sooner did I go out. No sooner did I go out than it began to rain. You may practice some sentences, write down some sentences and practice it at your home. We will discuss the answer after that. Now write down the sentence. Sentence number 1. I shall always remember your help. Number 2. I am always present. Next. Everyone present there cheered. Next. Always speak the truth. Next. I was doubtful whether it was you. I was doubtful whether it was you. Next. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. Next. As soon as the teacher entered the room, everybody was silent. Next. Only Ravi came to see me. Next. Only a millionaire can afford such extravagance. Only a millionaire can afford such extravagance. The last sentence. Only a fool would behave in such a way. Only a fool would behave in such a way. You please note down all the work in your notebook. And if you have any problem, please ask me. Thank you so much, students.